Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application. Also on iOS you can install HUAWEI Connect application and use this application. Is the newest app. It's not available for now, at least for Android devices, but maybe in the future HUAWEI add it to the app gallery and you can install it. So open the application, then in AI Life click at your headphones at the device list. It will open for you headphones menu. On HUAWEI Connect you don't need to tap at your headphones, it already open for you headphones menu. And right here we have ambient sound control. Firstly we need to wear earbuds to enable ANC. So let's do this. And right here we have 4 modes for it. Dynamic, it will change your ANC level depending on your background. Then we have Cozy, General and Ultra. So Cozy used for the place with little noise, but for me, I tested and I didn't get what the difference between Cozy and General. I didn't hear the difference between it. But still, you can enable it. Maybe this is a problem with these earbuds. Maybe on your earbuds it worked better. And we have Ultra, and for Ultra I hear the difference between Dynamic, General, and Ultra. You have improved ANC, but not so much. So just select the best one for you. You can test it and find the best one, or you can use Dynamic. I prefer this one. And as I said, it will change your ANC level, depends on the background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!